Chapter 5 Enriching PowerPoint Slides. Introduction. You have learned PowerPoint and its uses in your previous class. Now you will learn to make your presentation even more attractive. In the previous chapter, we have learned about slides and its types and how to organize the slides. In this chapter, we shall discuss how to make the slides more creative and lively. Inserting pictures. We can make presentation attractive by inserting pictures. There are two options to insert the pictures. Pictures from file, clip art. Pictures from file. You can use any saved image from your computer to insert on your slides. Click where you want to insert the picture and follow the given steps. Step 1. Click Insert tab. Click Picture in the Illustrations group. Step 2. Locate the picture that you want to insert. Step 3. Select the picture and click Insert button. Clip art. Microsoft Clip Organizer contains photographs, drawings, sounds, videos, and other media files. They are called clips or clip arts. You can use them on your slides to make it more attractive and lively. Step 1. On the Insert tab in the Illustrations group, click Clip Art. Step 2. In the Clip Art task pane, in the Search for text box, type a word or phrase that describes the clip art that you want, or type all or some of the file names of the clip art. Step 3. Click Go. Step 4. In the list of results, click the clip art to insert it. Formatting pictures and clip arts. When a picture or a clip art is inserted, an additional tab called Format appears. It has the Picture Tools option. Format tab consists of 4 groups: Viz, Adjust, Picture Styles, Arrange, and Size. Adjust. It allows you to control the brightness, contrast, and colors of the image. Picture Styles. It allows you to change the picture's shape, add picture effects and borders. Arrange. It allows you to align and position pictures on a slide. Size. It allows you to change the size of the picture and you can crop the image also. Inserting Smart Art. This feature allows you to add various useful graphics to the presentation. To add the smart art in your presentation, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab. Step 2. Click Smart Art in the Illustrations group. A dialog box appears. Step 3. Click a Smart Art group on the left and choose desired layout on the right. Step 4. The selected Smart Art is inserted in your slide. 2 new tabs appear, that is, Design and Format. Step 5. Click Text in each box and type the text. Editing a Smart Art. When you double-click on Smart Art tools appear under Design tab. It has 4 groups. Create Graphic. It helps you to expand the Smart Art graphic. You can add shapes after, before, above and below of the selected shape. Layouts. It helps you to switch to a different Smart Art layout. Smart Art Styles. You can change colors and the styles to give the various effects to your Smart Art graphic. Reset. If you don't like the design you have chosen, you can go back to the original Smart Art with the help of Reset. Adding bullets and numbering. As you have learnt in MS Word, PowerPoint also allows the user to add numbers and bullets to the slides. This helps to make the presentation more organized and brief. Steps to add bullets and numbers. Step 1. Select the text that is to be numbered or bulleted. Step 2. Go to Home tab and click on Bullet under the paragraph group in the toolbar. Step 3. In case if you want to number the text, select the numbering. Creating a photo album. Photo album is a presentation based on a set of pictures. Steps to create a photo album. Step 1. Click Insert tab. Step 2. Click Photo album from the Illustrations group. Step 3. Click New Photo album. Photo album dialog box appears. Step 4. Click File, Disk to add pictures to the photo album. The Insert New Picture dialog box appears. Step 5. Choose as many pictures as you require from the folders. All the pictures will display on the photo album dialog box. You can rearrange the pictures by clicking up and down arrows below the pictures in Album box. Step 6. You can choose different frame layout and shapes from Frame Layout and Frame Shape. Step 7. Click Create button and your photo album presentation is created. Applying themes. A theme is a combination of the slide color, font style, and special effects that is chosen to make a presentation more attractive. Steps to apply themes to all the slides. Step 1. Click Design tab in the toolbar. Step 2. This opens a range of theme for the slides. In case you want to see more themes, click on the down arrow, More button present on the right-hand side of the Themes group. Step 3. Select the desirable theme from the available options. Steps to apply themes to a particular slide. Step 1. Click Design tab. Step 2. Select the particular slide from Slide tab for which you want to change the theme. If you want to change the theme for more than one slide, then hold down Ctrl key and click on the slides. Step 3. Click on More button in the Themes group. Step 4. Right-click on the desired theme and click Apply to selected slides from the list. Adding background. You can add a dramatic effect to your theme by applying a background. Step 1. Choose the Design tab. Step 2. Click the Background Styles button. Step 3. Click the background you want. Adding sounds. In a bid to make your presentation more attractive and effective, it is always a better idea to give voice to your slides. Hence, MS PowerPoint gives the option of inserting sound clips to help you make your presentation more understandable. Using the options, you can add desirable sound clips to your presentation. The sound clips could be a song, voice recording, music, instrumental, or anything. Steps to add sound. Step 1. Click the Insert tab and click on Sound in the Media Clips group. Drop-down list appears. Step 2. Choose any of the sources from the drop-down list. Click Sound from File. A dialog box appears. Locate the folder that contains the file and click the file and choose OK. A message box appears. If you want to play sound automatically when slide appears, then click Automatically or choose When clicked if you want to play it on mouse click. Clicking on Sound from Clip Organizer, Clip Art task pane appears with sound files. Click the file to add. You can also add sound from a CD by clicking on Play CD audio track. Click on Record Sound if you want to give your own voice to the slide. A Record Sound dialog box will appear. Record your voice and click OK. Step 3. After choosing the sound from the drop-down list, a sound icon appears on the slide. Drag it to the desired place. Step 4. Click the sound icon. Options tab appears under Sound Tools. It gives various options to work with. Adding a movie. You can also add a movie clip to the presentation. Follow the given steps. Step 1. Click the Insert tab and click on Movie in the Media Clips group. Drop-down list appears. Step 2. Choose any of the sources from the drop-down list. Click Movie from File. A dialog box appears. Locate the folder that contains the file and click the movie clip and choose OK. A message box appears. If you want to play movie automatically when slide appears, then click Automatically or choose When clicked if you want to play it on mouse click. Clicking on Movie from Clip Organizer, Clip Art task pane appears with movie clips. Click the file to add. Animation and transition. A PowerPoint presentation is as good as a movie. Hence, PowerPoint provides all the facilities that is required to convert the series of slides into a movie. The main thing about a movie is that after the content, pictures and music is added. It includes animation and transitions. Animation is the special effects, while transition is about setting time for the slides to automatically change to next slide. Adding transition to the slides. Slide transitions are the animation-like effects that occur in slideshow view when you move from one slide to the next during an on-screen presentation. This provision allows the user to control the speed of each slide transition effect. Steps to add slide transition to all the slides. Step 1. Click Animation tab. Step 2. Click More in the transition to the slide group. A gallery appears. It contains a number of transition effects. Step 3. On hovering over them, you will get the preview of the transition effect. Click on the desired effect to apply it on your presentation. You can also change transition speed and sound from transition to this slide group. Step 4. Click Preview in the Design tab to preview your slide before starting the slideshow. Once satisfied with the changes after having a preview, you can start slideshow. Step 5. Click on Slideshow button on the status bar. Advanced slide. If you want the transition to start after your mouse click, then do the following. Check the On Mouse Click checkbox in Transition to the Slide group. If you want a transition to take place after a specified period of time, then check the Automatically After checkbox and specify the time. Custom animation. You can animate the text, objects, or the contents of your slides using the custom animation options available with PowerPoint. Also, you can create your own custom effects. Steps to add custom animation to the text and object. Step 1. Select the text or object that you want to animate. Step 2. Click Animations tab. Click Custom Animation in the Animations group. Step 3. In the Custom Animation task pane, click Add Effect and then do one of the following. To make the text or object enter with an effect, point to Entrance and then click an effect. To add an effect, such as a spin effect, to text or an object that is already visible on the slide, point to Emphasis and then click an effect. To add an effect that makes text or an object leave the slide at some point, point to Exit and then click an effect. To add an effect that makes text or an object move in a specified pattern, point to Motion Paths and then click a path. Step 4. Use the Start box of the Custom Animation task pane to decide when an animation will start. Step 5. Click Play button to preview your slide. Let's summarize. You can also make your slides more attractive by adding matching pictures to your slides. You can choose pictures from clip art or from file. It is possible to add desirable sound clip to the presentation to make the presentation more understandable. Like in MS Word, PowerPoint also allows the user to number and add bullet to the slides. Slide transitions are the animation-like effects that occur in slideshow view when you move from one slide to the next during an on-screen presentation. Slide transition allows the user to control the speed of each slide transition effect.